Stop starting every Spanish conversation with just hola. The word is oye. Oye. It's mean hey or listen. It's how a Spanish speaker naturally grab someone's attention before a conversation. For example, oye, ¿me puedes ayudar? Hey, can you help me? Oye, ¿dónde está el baño? Hey, where's the bathroom? Your homework. Next time you start a Spanish conversation, use oye. Follow me for more tips like this every week.